Hey everybody, it is time for our second Paper Person Pick 5 with Susanna. I'm showing you the 5 elements in our Paper Person kit that Susanna chose for us to use today. I'm going to use a couple more from the fully vaccination kit that was an add-on this month over at the Paper Person. I'm also going to add in some puffy stickers. So let's get started and create our layout. I'm going to go ahead and start with this cut apart piece. So this one is from a Heidi Swap collection, and I'm a little daunted by papers like this like really die cut paper. It's super cute, but it's always something that I kind of struggle with. So my idea for using it is just to go ahead and place it down on a sheet of white cardstock. I used a really old circle cutter and cut a large circle, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab my tape runner, glue that down, and I'm going to place it directly into the middle of my layout. I know on camera it kind of looks like it completely blends in, but you'll see in the photos that it doesn't. There's lots of space there there's lots of, you can see it. I'm losing my ability to talk apparently, but you can see it. It looks like a lot of texture on the page. I'm going to go ahead and take one of the exclusive 12 by 12 papers. This is, the other side of this paper is the cut apart sheet that shows all of the, that you would cut apart if you were using a pocket card. I'm going to use the back side of one of the Vaxxed mini kit papers. So the fully vaccinated mini kit comes with 4 or 5, I think it's 4 different papers. One side is cut apart cards and one side is just really cool pattern. So this is one of the sides that has has the cool patterns, and I'm going to use that because I don't need all of the cut apart cards that come in the kit. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with this journaling card. So this is one of the journaling cards that comes in the main kit for May. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut a mat around the journaling card with the pattern and then cut a mat with the green kind of tone-on-tone paper. Now I'm going to go ahead and take one of those cards. This one is from the vaccination kit, and it's from one of the 3x4 cards. I'm going to trim around the saying that's on the card. Since I don't need to use it as a card like for a pocket page, I'm just going to fussy cut around that saying and use it as an embellishment on my layout. So one of our 5 products from the kit is the stamp set that comes with the kit. I'm going to use this Happy and then the Vibes, and I'm just going to grab some of my Paper Person ink. I believe I used Goldenrod for this. I'm going to go ahead and ink it up and then place it in the bottom of that journaling card. I do have a little bit of journaling to do for this page, not a whole lot. Well, for me, probably maybe a whole lot, but just a couple things I want to say. So what I'm going to do is, and then above the Happy Vibes, I'm going to go ahead and stamp this stamp that says Shots in Arms. And then I'm going to use the rest of this journaling card to add my journaling and a title. Now I can kind of decide what this layout needs. So I decided it needed a little bit more color. So what I'm doing is I took 3 of the patterns from the kit and I'm just cutting 2 1/4-inch strips from each of the patterns. And then I'm going to place those across the top and across the bottom just to add a little bit more color to the layout. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my embellishments. Now, usually after I do my 2 Paper Person Pick 5 videos, I don't often come back to these kits. A lot of times I've killed them. I've used them completely. This particular kit for this month, you're going to see another layout come together because I have at least 2 more layouts that I want to use this collection for. I'm not 100% sure if I'll do them on camera. One is another vaccination story, and the other one is about all my medications. And they're like the perfect little like pills and stuff and things like that. So I have a couple more stories that this kit will just work perfectly for that I really want to use. But I'm not sure if I'll do videos for those or not. If you really want to see the videos and see me really finish off both this kit and the mini vaccination kit, go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know, because if I have a lot of people that really want me to share those layouts, I certainly will and can turn on my camera and do them. So that really helped, right? Those little pops of just those little strips across the top and bottom. Now I'm kind of deciding, do I want to do more stamping? Do I want to just kind of grab my puffy stickers and do some embellishing? And I decide that for now, I'm just going to go ahead and do some embellishing with the puffy stickers. I love this puffy sticker sheet that was part of the May kit. I love it so much I bought an extra one. It just had so many things that I knew I could use, and so many things in this kit sparked in me stories that I really want to take photos of, stories I want to tell. It's all about like your health and things like that. And there was just a lot of sayings and a lot of elements that I had stories, I had things I wanted to scrapbook about and get into my album. So I did go ahead and buy an extra puffy sticker sheet. And the puffy sticker sheet is large, and those puffy stickers are just fabulous. Let me just say, so fabulous. So now I'm just going to continue on here. I'm adding the ones that I think will really work. And then I decide that since I have that rainbow in the back, right, I should probably add a couple rainbows from the puffy sticker sheet to kind of bring that icon into the rest of my layout, so it doesn't seem like it's totally completely lost and out of place. And why did she put that there, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and add those in as well. Now I'm taking this little stamp set that's part of the stamp set that comes with the kit. It just says today. And I know that I'm going to stamp it around my layout. I'm actually going to kind of use this stamp the way you would use maybe enamel dots or like sequins to kind of add a little bit just to the end of a layout, right? So I'm just going to it just says today. So it's not anything, that can't be repeated. This was the day my youngest son got his first shot. And so I'm just going to go ahead and add the stamping. And actually, I think I add one more because I'm looking at it going, I need one more right there. Yep. And that's where we're going to call this layout done. Make sure to head over and check out Susanna's awesome video. And I will see you all again very soon. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll be back tomorrow with a Summer of Stories video. Bye.